YouTubers, and welcome to Deals Prime Review channel. Right now we're going to be running a live Antutu benchmark test for the XiaoMi M3 or the XiaoMi Mi3 or the XiaoMi 3. This is a quad-core phone. We just got this unit in, and this is the first that the 3GWC model was released. Before, the previous models that you may have seen were TD-SCDMA, and that means that they could only work in China. So this is the latest version, has the latest firmware, and we're just gonna wait for this test to run. It may take about 5 or 6 minutes, and while that's doing that, I'm just gonna actually you may want to queue up the unboxing review. We actually showed you the specs which are on the box, show you the build of the phone, and also the accessories and the free YouTube promo gift. So we'll just read the specs off again here. And again, you can take this time to like our video. Also, subscribe to the Deals Prime Review channel on YouTube. And yeah, so make sure to check out part 1. And check out part 2, the in-depth. We show you the apps and do some web browsing. And let's just go over some of the specs here. This is powered by a 2.3 GHz SnapDragon 800 8274AB chipset, quad-core chipset CPU. It has a 5-inch IPS screen with 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution screen. 2 megapixel camera on the front, 13 megapixel camera on the back. It's running Android 4.2 with a special MIUI. Which is pretty nice. We'll show you that to you actually in a second. Supports 3G WCDMA, and let's see. It's 2GB DDR3 RAM, 16GB ROM, and we're almost finished. Now there's a product link to this inside of our YouTube video description, so you just click on that. You may have to expand the description to see the product link. It has built-in GPS and Bluetooth 4.0. So quad-band GSM and quad-band WCDMA 850, 900, 1920, and 2100 megahertz. So this will definitely work worldwide on GSM and 3G WCDMA networks. Okay, I'm really excited to see what this gets. Could be the highest that I've seen. Okay, wow. Wow. This is the highest score ever. And it's at the top. It beats the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. What the heck? Wow. So 36,249. Wow. Okay. So there you go. And let's check out the details. And it's running Android 4.3. Wow, it's the first time I've seen that. Actually, I saw Android 4.4 KitKat on a TV dongle stick. It's actually on our YouTube video channel as well. It's the MK8094 numeral letter 4 and then KitKat with one word, K-I-T. Anyways, Android 4.3, 2.2 gigahertz, 2.26 gigahertz CPU, so you can maybe round that up to 2.3, which they did. 2GB DDR3 RAM. It's powered by an Adreno TM, an Adreno 330 GPU, and it has the I/O. That's the I/O score. So let's check out some more device info. We'll wait for that again. Scroll out a little bit. Again, it's at the very top here. So the Mi3W. So this is the WCDMA version. So again, it's probably a lot different than the, well, I guess an A+. Amazing. So this is the Mi3W, Android 4.3, Qualcomm Snapdragon MSM8274AB CPU, 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution screen, 13.1 megapixel camera on the front. Actually, I'll scroll on a little bit again. Maybe. 13 megapixel camera on the front. 16 gigabyte ROM with 12.7 gigabytes free, or 12.2 gigabytes free. 1 gigabyte RAM. 2.6, so basically 2.3 gigahertz CPU. 5-inch IPS screen with 400 dpi. The camera on the front is 2 megapixels, and it shoots 1080p video. Aperture f is 2.2. Sensor is an Exmor RS CMOS camera, so we'll actually have to show the camera off a little bit in our in-depth review. Wow, so this is a nice surprise. The firmware was last updated on December 27th, and it supports GPS and AGPS. That's all she wrote. So you can pause the screen at any point that you like. So this just about concludes this review. Just want to remind you that there is a product link to this inside dealsprime.com, inside of our YouTube video description, sorry. And check out the browser, and there it is, Deals Prime. And this does come with a free gift if you order it, because it's over $50, so you will have to log into the site to actually see the free gifts. Okay, I was gonna check out the product listing, but I just so. Anyways, it's on Deals Prime. The link's on the product page. Like our video, subscribe to the Deals Prime review channel. Check out part 1 unboxing with a free gift, and part 2 is the in-depth review.